It's a long steel rail and a short cross time. I'm on my way back home. I'm on that train, the king of them all, that streamlined cannonball. She moves along like a cannonball, like a star in its heavenly flight. The lonesome sound of the whistle you love as she travels on through the night. A smile on the engineer's face, and although he's old and gray, with a contented heart, he waits for the call on the streamlined cannonball. Home from dawn like a cannonball, like a star in its heavenly flight. The lonesome sound of the whistle you love as she travels on through the night. She beams out through the night, Lord, the firebox flash you can see. I ride the blinds, it's the life that I love, it's home, sweet home to me. She moves along like a cannonball, like a star in its heavenly flight. The lonesome sound of the whistle you love as she travels on through the night. Along like a cannonball, like a star in its heavenly flight. The lonesome sound of the whistle you love as she travels on through the night. The lonesome sound of the whistle you love as she travels on through the night.